Have you ever paid a workman and been disappointed by the lack of quality? Or maybe you've been let down by missed appointments and half-completed work? At Masper, we pride ourselves on ensuring our work is always completed well, on time and to your complete satisfaction. We design, we install, and we also provide maintenance services throughout the London area for any residential or commercial customers. We cover all sizes of jobs, from a shower repair to a complete kitchen installation. We are focused on attention to detail, reliability, and you can be rest assured we will never leave a mess behind. If you need an electrician for an electrical emergency, an installation, or some maintenance work, our professional staff will be happy to help. We can also help with all your air conditioning needs, including installation, commissioning, and maintenance, so that when we finally get some hot weather, you'll be able to keep cool in your home and office. We also provide all types of electrical, water, renewable energy, and gas heating design and installation services, including any plumbing, and also bathroom and kitchen design and replacement services. Take a look at some of our recent projects, visiting our website projects gallery at www.masper.co.uk or our Instagram at masper.co.uk. Check out our testimonials, and why not jump on a call, and we'll be glad to give you a quote.